So now we have completed one sheet from very scratch, from very zero level, and I also want to show you references. So how to use references into the formulas, right? So let's say as we already calculated profit and loss, right, using formula. Same thing I also want to calculate by another method. So let me write here profit or loss. Here you can see my width of the column is little bit narrow than the width of the cell of the text. So what I can do, I can just move mouse between G and H. When cursor will be showing you vertical line with two horizontal arrows, you can click and drag either to the left side or to the right side. So as you can see, it will be allow you to change the width of the cell. So right now as you can see, my width of the cell is around 4.71, but the moment when I will be go to the right, my width of the cell is 10.71. But let's say you want to go with exact width of the cell. So what you can do, you can select the cell, or you can click on the column number G, go to format, and here there is an option of column width. So click on column width, and here you can type the number, let's say 11, and click OK. So now your width of the cell is 11. Same thing you can also do for the row. So you can click on row and go to format and click on row height. Right now it is 15. So instead of 15, let's say I want to use 20 because this is my title, and simply click on OK. Now here I want to generate a one formula. So is equal to sales minus expenses, enter. So in the previous video I have shown you how to do the copy paste this formula. Now in this video I will show you how to use the relative references. So as you can see, if I am just clicking on this cell 2500, Excel allow you to highlight this formula, that is C2 minus D2. So what you can do, you can just move the mouse to this dark square. Here you can see there is a green dark square. So the moment when you just move the mouse over the green dark square, it will be show you the plus icon with black color lines. You can simply click on that icon and you can click and drag all the way to the bottom side, and you can just release the mouse. So by this way you can also calculate the profit and loss, or you can also calculate or apply the same formula to other cells. Now Excel is such a powerful, as I shown you earlier. If you change the data, let's say 5000, so it will be changed to everywhere in the total of the cells, then after profit loss for this, as you can see, and then after here as well. Clear?